Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to hit that little subscribe button to get notified when I post, and let's just get started. The first thing you guys going to go ahead and do is just grab a foam board and a pencil, and you're just gonna go ahead and draw your number 2. I'm doing a number 2, but whatever number you guys are doing, just go ahead and draw it on the foam board. Guys, I know it seems like it's a little bit hard, but it's not that hard. Just look at a number and just go ahead and let your pencil and draw your number. I know they also sell the number already done. I think they do that in X's, so you can also check it out. Just make sure on the side how bigger you would like it. So then I just went ahead and continued drawing my number 2. Super simple to do, just like that, you guys. Then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and measure 1 inch apart from that side of the number 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and go around it and measure 1 inch until I go and do the whole thing just like that. You guys just go ahead and write it down. Then after I'm done with that size, I'm just going to go ahead and do the other size as well. I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing it all the way around. Remember that you're going to go all the way around to 1 inch, and it's going to turn out just like this. And then you're just going to go ahead and grab your pencil and trace it down like that. Make sure when you're doing it, you keep tracing and don't let go of the pencil. It comes out better like that. I'm just keep drawing all the way down. And here, just make sure to make like that little triangle like that, so it can look super cute. And then just go ahead and continue drawing your number in the inside until you're done doing the whole thing all the way around like that. Then go ahead and grab your knife and you're going to cut the outside just like that. You're gonna just go ahead and continue cutting it like that, and then you're gonna do 2 of them number 2 just like that. And then just gonna go ahead and cut the inside in here. Just go ahead and trace it out just like that. You're going to do 1 number, you're gonna cut inside, not the other number, because I made 2 number and I did both of them inside, but you just only have to do 1 because the other one you will not need to cut it inside. Then once you're done, just take that part out and it leaves you with this. Super cute. And now we're going to go ahead and measure 1 inch down, and then we're going to you could take a ruler or whatever you have and just make a straight line just like that all the way until you done the whole thing out. So then after you go ahead and trace your line, you're gonna go ahead and grab your knife and just cut it out just like that. Make sure that you use the part, you see the straight line at the end, so it could be straight, and that's the part that you're going to use for the bottom part of the number 2. So just go ahead and cut that part out. Then go ahead and measure 4 inches apart. So you're gonna go ahead and measure with your ruler, whatever you have, and you're gonna do all of them 4 inches. So you're gonna just go ahead and continue marking down the 4 inches until you're done marking the whole thing out just like that. Then once you're done marking everything out, you're gonna go ahead and take your knife and just cut it out like that, straight like that. So just continue cutting it until you're done cutting the whole foam board. Then we're gonna go ahead and make like 2 lines separate from each other like that, and then cut it at the top. So we're gonna make that extra little gap on each side at the end. So we're going to do this to all of them. So then the same way that you want to do is just put the other one on top and continue doing it, because you want this one to be the same, because this is going to be the bottom part and it's going to extend up the number 2. So just make sure you just continue cutting it and doing the same thing like that. So it could be all of them similar, just like that, and trace it out. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your hot glue and just put it in the middle, and then just put it inside, and make sure here to straighten it out perfectly so it can look good and it can stand straight. So you're going to continue doing this all the way around like that, gluing it and placing it until you are done doing the whole thing out. Make sure when you do the bottom, the first batch that you do, you put all the same one that you did first at the bottom, because I don't want you guys at the end to come out crooked. That's an important part. So then just go ahead and continue placing it all the way around until you are done with the whole thing, just like that. Make sure to put it on the top and spread it out all the way around like that. So then once you're done with that, I grabbed this light. You will need three of these fairy lights to fill out the whole thing. And then just go ahead and glue it to the edge of your foam board just like that. You just go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue and then place your little lights on top, and make sure you like to put it on the edges so it can stand out and it can show more the light. And then make sure to hide the other strings all the way around. So just stretch it out and then just go ahead and glue it. And then I went ahead and did the second light. You put it in this on the side like that, and then you're just gonna go ahead and this time start from the top just like that. I know I started a little bit further out as you can see, but I wanted to be able to fill up with the whole thing, and then if I didn't, the string would not be enough. Then I went ahead and put the second line. You see how I put two of them there, and then I put the other one in the other side. And then just gonna go ahead and do the bottom part and continue doing the same thing. As you can see, I have two light of the same, and then another one was like a little gold. So make sure you buy all the light the same so that one show. I mean, that doesn't show as much if I wouldn't say it, but just letting you guys know. Then I went ahead and grabbed my 5 inches balloon, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow them out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just place them inside, just fixing it to however way I want it to look, and just fill it up just like that. Some of them big balloons, a little bit bigger, than some of them are smaller. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my hot glue and attach it to the foam board. If you do not attach it with your hot glue, it's gonna fall apart. So just go ahead and fill it out. The one on top I did not put thing, but if you don't want them falling out, I suggest you just use your hot glue and attach all of them out, and then just fill it up. So then you're just gonna go ahead and continue filling it up and using your hot glue to attach it. Then once you're done with all the attaching them, then I went ahead, and you see some of the part looks crooked, so just make sure to go back and just put the stick again. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. When I tell you, it came out super cute. It looks so cute. I loved it how it turns out. This is the new look that I wanted to do because I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to do the same number as like everybody does. So I came up with this cute idea to show you guys how to make it, and I hope you guys like it. Let's not forget to hit the like button, comment down below what you guys think, and please comment down below letting me know what would you like me to do next. And let's not forget to I post every 2 weeks. So if you want to see more of my DIY, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys like it, and thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.